Now we are going to discuss about the clinical effect of thyroid hormones in our bony tissue. As you know, the thyroid hormones are very essential to each and every cell in our body. Like that, to maintain a normal, healthy bony tissue, we must have sufficient hormone. The imbalance between the thyroid and parathyroid hormones that causes uncontrolled mobilization of the calcium ions from the bones, and automatically the bones may become porous, or the bones may become very thin or fragile, and in the effect of hypothyroidism, because of that slowed sluggish metabolism results in deposition of myxomatous tissues in muscles. So the osteoporotic changes along with the deposition of myxomatous tissues, retention of fluid in our body, in such condition the presentation of our patient may be like that of a case of bony disorder, as the patient may complains of stiffness and aching in joints, or the pain may aggravates on moving. The symptoms may mimicking of rheumatoid arthritis or osteoporosis or osteoarthritis, but the real culprit or the real villain behind the status is because of imbalanced thyroid hormone. On examination, especially during pre or postmenopausal age group, especially 35, 45, 50 years of age, the patient may seems to be having a increased muscle mass. That means automatically our patient become very obese or a very fatty lady. As you know, the fatty 40 fertile female of our graphites, there is increased muscle mass, but there is decreased muscle activity or decreased muscle tone. That means the efficiency of or the tonicity of the muscle is getting very weak. Along with that, the patient complains of stiffness and aching in joints, bone pains or heel pains, or twitching and claudication of muscles, cramps, especially during night. All these symptoms may be misunderstood by we people as a case of joint disorder. Along with that, as you know, the effect of thyroid hormone in bone, especially with the long bone, the longitudinal growth is essentially regulated by our thyroid hormone. So in such patients, there is a possibility of dwarfism or bony pain, etc. may be the symptom of our patient. So the patient with a hypothyroid condition, the presentation may be a joint disorder.